Alright guys, so today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your drums more interesting. Very simple. You're going to do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosai, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now, so I'm gonna show you how you can make your drums more interesting. So guys, first thing first, okay, to make your drums more interesting, select right samples. Okay, so let me show you how to select the right samples. Okay, let's change the tempo. Okay, so make sure you select the right samples. Let's select the right samples. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. Let's create simple afrobeat groove. Okay, so guys, you can see, then what you can do is to click on it, then you can make it more tighter. Okay, you can tighten it up over here. Okay, you can tighten it up over here. Okay, then you can even make it start from here. Okay, before you can see, if you zoom in, there is the transient start from here. Okay, so you can even make it more, choose where you want. Okay, so just play with this snap start. Okay, to make it tight, and use this one, okay, to make it tight. Okay, listen. Okay, so you can play with these knobs. Alright guys, then the next thing that I'm gonna show you to make your drums more interesting is to use this shift button here. Okay, so just play with this shift knob here. Without it, you can see, so play with it a little bit. Alright guys, so the next thing that you can do to make your drums interesting is just try and layer them, okay, with other instruments or samples. Okay, so let's choose something. Okay, so you can layer it with another element. Just copy, paste, then guys, you can play with this knob. Okay, so let's listen to them. Guys, you see that? Then I want you to do the same thing, play with the shift a little bit. You see the difference? So just play with the shift. That will give it more groove. Okay guys, so the next thing that you can do to make your drums more interesting is to add percussions. Okay, so just add some percussions. Okay, let's listen. Okay, okay, so you can still layer them. Then play with the shift. Okay, very simple. Then you can also play with this one out. So guys, you can see, Okay, then you can even layer them. So let's listen. All right guys, so let's take this hi-hat. Okay, then the next thing that you can do, let's fill here 2 steps. Guys, listen to this. What you're gonna do is to route this, sometimes route them to the mixer track and add effect like delay. Okay, so let's add delay 2. Then we're gonna set the time to half steps. Let me solo that one alone. Okay guys, so listen. Guys, let's listen to that one alone. I want you to see the difference. Without it, with the delay. Okay, then I want you to reduce the volume a little bit. Okay, then guys, you can also reduce the volume from here. So sometimes add effects. Now listen. Okay, let me bring in the kick. All right, so let's fill 4 steps. Listen guys. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna show you is sometimes go to the piano roll, play some of the elements or play some of the notes here. Okay, instead of playing them directly on the channel rack, play some here. Guys, you can see the difference, meaning there's one here. Okay, let me make it them short so that you can see. Highlight everything. Come on guys. Okay, sometimes play the notes here instead of using the channel rack. Okay guys, the next thing I'm gonna show you is sometimes add some loops to it. So let's paste them here. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then we're gonna add some loops, okay, to support it. Add loops. Okay, so sometimes add loops to your drums. All right, so guys, let's listen. Then what I will tell you that sometimes play some of them even on the playlist. Okay, so let's listen. Okay, so you can change this to beat, highlight this, duplicate, bring it here guys. Okay, like this. Very simple guys. Okay, so guys, sometimes you can add drum loops, okay, to support that. Okay, so as you can see, and I'm gonna cut this excess. All right, then we're gonna reduce the drum loops a little bit just to support it. Okay, so guys, let's listen. Okay, so guys, this is how you can make your drums more interesting. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is God's Side, still the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.